What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And right now I am going to do, maybe I might do the hot tire test. I'm gonna do a regular tire test, the cold tire test, you guys, because my wife just came home. I've been home, but we haven't really drove on the highway or nothing yet. So the tires that's going to drive on this Granite grip on the floor, they will be cold tires. So we're just going to go with regular tires right now. I'm gonna pick my son up from football practice. It might be really dark by then, but we will do the hot tire pickup test. I also spilled a lot of oil on my driveway, so I might get a little oil in here as well, but we will see. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna get the car and we are going to see what it looks like when it gets on the Granite grip. And we're going over the Granite grip, you guys. This is so much fun. Oh, I didn't even look at the other side of my car. I could have hit my mirror. All right, I'm pulling in. I'm gonna go out again, and then I'm gonna pull in again. All right, I'm gonna pull out again, and then we're gonna check it out. And I have no tire marks. Now this is, once again, cold tires, you guys. I have no marks. We went over it, no tire marks. So everything looks good right now. Only thing is to test out last is the hot tire pickup. I basically drove almost like, I give it a good 15 miles of highway. So now we're about to do the hot tire pickup and let's see how it works. So I'm gonna put y'all back in the same spot. I'm gonna back in again and yeah, let's get it. And here we go. All right, I'm not gonna hit nothing. Now, when I close out this test, you guys, of course, I'm gonna do it in the morning. Well, y'all know it's the evening. If I'm just, if it don't peel from the hot tires or not. So I'll do it this one last time. Let's see if we got anything going on. I don't see no tire marks on the ground at all. No tire marks. The stupid white line from the light, but yeah, I don't see no tire marks. So what I'm gonna do is we'll let the car sit here. When my wife go to work, I'll see if it peels from the Granite grip. If not, everything will be good.